Thought I'd make a very quick video on my experience in removing silicone and the glass panel from a fish tank. So I've tried so many different ways of doing this, but the most effective way that I've discovered by accident is using fishing line. So let me demonstrate. Okay. So I get two pieces of wood and I've drilled a hole in and tied the fishing line on. Again, depending on how long you need it, it doesn't really need to be that long. Insert it into the seam and just using a sawing motion, just whittle your way down. Now, when I was doing this before to remove the bracing on this piece of glass, I went through quite a few bits of fishing line. They snapped, but as you can see here, this fresh bit of silicone, it's getting through quite nicely. So I'll take this glass off and then redo it. Wish I could do a close-up, but I'm here by myself doing this and I don't want the panel to fall. See, it snapped. But I think I should have enough to actually move this panel a bit. No, I'll have to keep going at it. But thanks for watching.